6820. Can I get your name, please?
Gina Langston.
Good morning, Ms. Langston.
Good morning, sir.
All right, I think we can get going.
Okay.
Walter Gray. What is your middle name, sir? Robert Jr. Is that correct? Mr. Gray? I remember you from last week. Mr. Gray, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you say you were going to bring insurance last week?
No, I said I already can't afford insurance, and I'm not right now.
Hey, you got to speak up a little bit. I can't hear you.
You said Mr. Gray?
No, I never said that last week. I said I couldn't afford insurance, and I wasn't driving right now.
So I wonder what we said we were going to do. I told you that you don't have a car at all, right? He's supposed to be here yesterday too. All right, let's call the case. You ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Walter Robert Gray Jr., case number SP 1430209. Strike that. SP 1430209, counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Cameron appearing on behalf of the defendant. Morning, Your Honor.
Morning, Ms. Cameron. Is that Ms. Cameron up there? Yes. Mr. Gray, state your name for the record, please.
Walter Robert Gray.
All right. So, what do we say? I was going to give you a blocking traffic if you brought in $175 and dismiss it, the rest of the stuff.
You said that's what you told me?
What did we talk about last time? Do you recall?
No, we didn't. We never talked about nothing last time. You told me to come back.
So here you got you're supposed to be here yesterday, but we won't worry about that. He's got an improper passing, Ms. Cameron, and a no insurance misdemeanor. I'll offer him a blocking traffic, 0-point offense, $175, and dismiss the misdemeanor. It won't affect your driver's license. It's like an expensive parking ticket. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. You have an absolute right to a trial. You can speak to Ms. Cameron in the breakout room if you choose to, or you can take the deal, pay the $175. We'll close it out.
I take the deal.
All right. Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on behalf of your client, Ms. Cameron?
Yes, Judge, I will. Thank you.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
I will stipulate the probable cause as to the dismissal on the other ticket. Yes.
Very well. Mr. Cameron, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. Mr. Gray, I'm sorry. When can you pay it, sir?
Can you give me to the first?
Yeah.
Okay, I will pay you. I will pay you guys for sure on the first.
All right, I'm going to give you till the 3rd, May the 3rd, 2023. If you can't pay it, you need to zoom back in and let the court know. I don't want
Yes,
this
sir.
to affect your driver's license, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have a great day. Good luck to you, all right?
Okay, thank you so much.
You pay it at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you pay it, come on down to the courthouse and pay it, all right?
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Have a good one.
Okay.
Peggy Lee. I don't think Peggy Lee was ever connected to audio. And she's still not connected to audio, so we'll go to laws. Mr. Laws, you there?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is Marcel Laws, right? Quintel, Marcel Laws, correct?
Marcellus.
Marcellus, I'm sorry.
Yes, it's okay.
The city of Detroit versus Quintez Marcellus Laws, case number SP 1396884, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes,
Colleen
Melinda Cameron.
Trophy,
Oh,
On
sorry.
behalf of Mr. Laws.
Got lawyers waiting in line to represent you, Mr. Laws.
Hi.
You got super lawyers waiting in line to represent you.
Mm,
I'm surprised Ms. Medina didn't put her appearance on the record too. All right. Today is the date and time set for pretrial in the matter. Your offer is going to be pleading to same thing. Blocking traffic, $175, dismissing the other 2 counts. Doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. It's not a misdemeanor, it's just a civil infraction, therefore it doesn't carry any points. And we'll dismiss the other 2 counts. What would you like to do?
what was the other two?
The other 2 is driving unregistered, untitled misdemeanor and also a no insurance misdemeanor.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to take the deal, sir? We'll dismiss the 2 misdemeanor, plead to the civil infraction, 0 points. You got an absolute right to a trial. You can speak to the lawyer in the breakout room if you choose. Mr. Laws?
Yeah, I'll take the deal.
All right.
Hello.
Say that again.
Yes, sir. I'll take the deal.
Do you have some questions? You want to speak to the lawyer?
Yeah, I can do that too. Which one?
All right, which, Mr. Roque, you want to?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm sorry, wait a minute. Let me get you out of there. All right, let's move on. Or,
Yes, sir.
are you there? Mr. Orr, this is Jason Orr, Anthony Orr.
Yes, it is.
All right, good morning to you, sir. You have, this is City of Detroit versus Jason Anthony Orr. This is Junior. Case numbers SP 1397622, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record,
Senior.
please. You're senior?
I'm senior. Junior is my son. I'm senior.
Oh, you're on Junior's phone.
Yeah, it's his laptop.
Yeah, all right. This is strike the junior off of there. This is
Okay.
senior.
Yes, sir.
Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Orr.
All right, Mr. Orr, do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, sir.
can you show that to the court, please?
Yes, I can.
All right, let's see it. Need a title, not a title, but registration and insurance paperwork. Show it to me, please.
All right.
Hold on, I'm not, okay, I got it.
2006 Land Rover expiring
All right.
4/23/24, Your Honor.
I'm good with that. See what you got for insurance, Mr. Orr.
All right.
2006 Land Rover expiration date 6/15/23, Your Honor. Allstate Insurance.
Provided valid documentation on dismissal of the cases, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you.
Gaines, you're free to leave, Mr. Orr.
Okay.
Is Laura Gaines there?
Yes, I am. How are you?
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good
This is
morning.
Laura Ashley Gaines,
Yes, it is.
City of Detroit versus Laura Ashley Gaines, case number SP 1396993, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1396994, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1445350, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance record, please. Can we get an appearance?
Colleen Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Mrs. Gaines, can you state your name for the record, please?
Laura Ashley Gaines.
Today is the date and time set for pretrials and the matters. Do you have valid registration and insurance, ma'am?
No, I don't. The vehicle that I was pulled over in belonged to my father, who is deceased.
Sorry to hear about that. Hey, the invalid registration and expired plate, and we'll dismiss the rest. Those are two civil
Okay.
infractions. They will not abstract to the Secretary of State. One is $90, the other one is $145. $235 will dismiss the rest of the charge.
Okay.
You want to take that deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Please, on behalf of your client, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea. Counselor,
So stipulated, and I also stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals.
very well. Expired plate, $145, no valid registration, $90. $235 is what I calculate. Both of them won't abstract to the Secretary of State, so therefore they won't carry any points. And they're civil infractions. We'll close them out upon payment. When can you pay, ma'am?
Can I at least get 30 days to pay?
I'm gonna give you till May the 22nd, 2023. All right?
And where do I pay?
Pay it in any DivDak kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you come and I'm told you can upload that DivDak app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day, ma'am. The best of luck to you, all right? Sorry to hear
You as well.
about that.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Laws. Mr. Laws, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What's your client want to do, Ms.
Your Honor, my client, he has a valid registration and insurance, and I believe, we're gonna request that the matters be dismissed.
Yeah, but he's got this disregard and traffic control device. That's
Oh.
that's one civil infraction where I was gonna dismiss those anyway. If he pled.
He's gonna accept the blockading
Alright.
traffic.
Very good. All right, you're good with that, Mr. Laws?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
All right, $175. When can you pay?
Can you give me like, I don't know, next 30 days? Or what you just told the last girl, like the 20 something?
22nd of May.
Yeah, that's
All right.
perfect.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck.
Yeah. Y'all too. Happy Friday.
Happy
Thank
Friday.
you.
Peggy Lee, you got your audio connected now? City of Detroit versus Peggy Ann Lee, case number SB 1399021, SB 1399031. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing Peggy Lee.
All right, Ms. Lee, can you state your name for the record, please?
Miss Lee, not connected, Judge.
Okay, she's still not connected, that's what.
No.
Let's pass that matter. Good morning to you. Oh, let me see, Miss Medina, who do you have?
Good morning. Sorry, Your Honor, I was turning everything on. I have Mr. Banegas Solorzano. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Mr. Venegas.
Banegas.
That's the last name?
Yes, so it's Banegas hyphen.
Let me get set. Say that, give me the last name.
It is Banegas hyphen
B-A-N, I'm sorry, B-A-N-E-G-A-S?
A-S, correct, hyphen. And then it's S-O-L-O-R-Z-A-N-O. Sorry, Judge. I always have the double last names.
S-O-L-O-R-C-A-N-O. What's the first name?
Marvin. I have a case number too.
I'm good. It's the City of Detroit versus Marvin Venegas Solorzano. Case number SB 13462, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1413465, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Banegas Solorzano. Your Honor, my client is on standby, waiting for me to hear from me, Your Honor. I wasn't sure if this was set for a bench trial today or what it was set for.
It's set for a pretrial.
Oh, I thought we had set it for a bench trial, Your Honor. In that case, I guess I would need to speak with the prosecutor.
All right, I don't see him on the docket today at all, but it says it in the computer that he's supposed to be warned. It says it in the
Well,
computer.
Your Honor, if there's any way that we can set it for a bench trial date in your courtroom, that would be great. My client had to travel out of state for work. He did download the Zoom app and is available to log on. But if it wasn't on the docket and the court doesn't mind just setting it for a bench trial, I would appreciate that.
All right, that's pretty, I guess that was your motion to waive your client's presence, right?
Yes, Your Honor. So I would ask to waive his presence. If you're okay with setting it for another date, if you tell me he needs to be on here, I will get him on here.
No, we are. All right, I'm gonna give you a trial date. I'm gonna grant the motion to waive presence May the 10th. That's gonna be the trial date at 9 a.m., all right?
Let me just, yep, that is perfect, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Have a very good day. The best of
You
luck
have
to
a blessed day and a beautiful weekend, everyone.
Good morning, Counselor.
Good morning, how are you?
We got some esteemed lawyers in here today. I don't know, you got,
Look out,
yeah, you better.
look out, I'm ready.
Where's, Madam Prosecutor?
I don't know,
What
I,
is this set for here?
I thought we were set for trial today, so I assumed it was in person. Mr. Jimenez Dominguez.
I saw the name just a minute. Yes. All right. You can actually, if you want to kind of expedite things, go over to the fourth floor. I don't know if Madam Prosecutor's here yet. She hasn't signed in. So if you want to try to work it out before.
I don't see any police officers here.
Well, we got it. They're gonna have, well, let me see who this is. Who's the officer? So I usually give them a half-hour grace period
Okay,
from 9 o'clock, so 9:30.
okay.
I should probably pull it up. See actual sick people.
Yeah.
Right. This is all we have, it's just an ROA, so. Just gonna give you the ticket so you can see it.
I think I have some discovery. If that's what you call it.
Well, I don't proceed on this ROA, so. If they don't have an actual ticket, we'll see if we can find the actual ticket.
Okay.
If not, we'll wait on, Officer Otello.
Yeah,
We'll wait on him. We'll give him until 9:30. If that doesn't work, then we'll get you out of here.
okay, thank you, sir.
Very well. But you don't have to come in person next time.
Well, it's kind of nice to be.
Yeah, I appreciate seeing you.
Yeah. I made my client look, he got all dressed up.
Yeah, he's looking good over there. He's already swayed me over a little bit. Mr. Daewoo, how are you doing?
Hello, Your Honor.
Mr.
Good morning to you.
Yeah, how are you doing, Mr. Who's your client?
Good. I'm just checking in on Odish.
Say that again?
I'm just checking in on Mr. Odish, Odeesh.
Okay, I don't think he's arrived yet.
I'm waiving his presence, Judge, if you don't mind. It's a civil infraction.
Oh, that's a civil infraction, correct?
Yes.
Okay, let me see. One of the officers that show. Not yet. So
Okay.
they're starting at 8:35. You got a 9 till 9:05. Make sure.
All right. Thank you. I'll wait.
Was there an officer, Roger Lee Scott, Trooper Roger Lee Scott? All right. All right, we'll put that over. Let me know at 9:05, please.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
Let's continue on. Megan is gone. Peggy Lee, did she ever get connected to audio? No.
No, Judge.
Okay, I'm gonna send her a message. That brings us down to Micaiah Renee G.
That's me, Your Honor. Mike Gordon.
I've seen that name so many times.
So sorry.
Now, let's see if we can get this taken care of today.
Oh, we can. I got everything I need.
You got everything you need?
I got my registration right here. Oh, let me.
City of Detroit versus Micaiah Renee Gordon.
Micah.
I'm sorry. Micah Renee Gordon, case number SP 137-59251, SP 1438371, SP 143833751. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Micah Gordon. Good morning.
Morning. State your name for the record, Ms. Gordon.
Good morning. It's Micah Renee Gordon.
All right, let's see what documents you have, ma'am.
Okay, I can email over my insurance. I have State Farm, and then Zoom. Here go my.
If you have a background on, you're gonna have to turn it off. It's not gonna come through correct.
Okay, I gotta figure out how to turn it off real quick.
We'll pass the matter. Moto G Pure. Moto G Pure. Can you state your name, please? Oh, no, wait a minute, Graves. I still need Moto G Pure's name. You turn the background off now?
No, I don't know how to do it.
Right. You gotta go in your settings down there somewhere. Mr.
Judge, I believe.
Graves. Who's that?
Judge, I believe Moto G Pure was Jenna Langston, maybe?
Was it? No, Gina Langston was on the phone, I thought.
Oh, okay.
6820. A Moto G Pure, I hadn't spoken to Moto G Pure. Mr. Graves, Voice Graves,
yes, sir.
You're gonna have to wait on an officer as well. And we will, if that officer doesn't show by 9:30, we'll get you out of here.
No, you dismissed the last time. I just had to pay for the old opening tops in 2015.
Okay. We got the officer here. All right. So let's do this.
Hello?
Hold on one second. Is that Moto G Pure?
I figured out my background.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Gordon. Miss Gordon, let's see what you have now. Now it's all the way blank.
Clean the camera. It is? You can't see me?
There, no, I got you now. I have you now.
Okay, yeah, I'm just trying to flip the camera so I can
Well, if you can just hold it up to the camera, maybe.
Just hold up to the
to the
camera.
camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Come closer a little bit.
3/3/24.
I got that. I'm satisfied with the registration. Go ahead. Let's see the insurance, please.
How do I email it to you?
Oh, you need to email. You don't have the insurance card paperwork?
No, it was
All right.
all electronic.
I'm gonna put my email address in the chat.
Okay.
So we're gonna stand by again. All right, it's in the chat, my email address.
Okay, I'm about to email that over.
That gets me to city of Detroit. Graves, why does it say? You're saying that you just needed to pay, correct?
Yes, I was back off on with you on the 12th, and the cop didn't show up, and you dismissed it. And you said you was gonna withhold it till I pay that ticket that I had in 2015.
You were supposed to be here on a trial on the 12th.
Yeah, I know, but the officers didn't show up.
It's not closed out.
You said you was gonna close it out, but you said you was gonna withhold it to the date I paid the ticket. So I said I was gonna pay it Friday, and you said you would give me to the 21st and then come back on after I paid the ticket. Well, because you dropped it down from, it was for something, you dropped it down
This
to.
one is not dismissed. You need to dismiss the SP. The second count, SP 1425902 for no officer. All right. So I think you don't have anything open. You just got two $45 reinstatement fees. You got four $45 reinstatement fees. All right, we're gonna close, we're gonna dismiss, no, that's now.
Oh, no. That's the trial. You got the ticket.
All right, if there's nothing, you don't have anything open here, sir.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further.
All right.
Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Okay, Alexander Colleran. Alexander Colleran.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you, good morning, are you an officer or trooper?
Yes, I am. Sergeant with the Detroit Police Department, 12th Precinct.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Good morning, Officer Hale, and let all the other officers say I told them my good morning as well. I'll put you in a breakout room. You can wait on the city attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That gets me down to Moto G Cure. You have to unmute yourself, please. There you are. Can you put on some more clothes, ma'am, please?
All right, Your Honor, I sent that email over to you.
All right, when I see it pop up, I'll get you out of here, ma'am.
Okay.
All right. What is your name, please? All right, let's go back on the record with Mrs. Gordon. Ms. Gordon, I've received the documentation. At this time, I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation.
Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day, ma'am.
You too, love. Enjoy.
All right, now, Moto G Pure, what is your name, please? You have to unmute yourself, ma'am.
Okay.
Are you there?
Good morning, Your Honor.
I'm here. Can you hear me now?
Yes, good morning. I'm sorry, I had a problem with my phone.
All right, hold on, Mr. Gilbert.
Thank you.
I can hear you, ma'am. What is your name, please?
Gina Darcell Langston.
Well, you were right.
Pardon?
I thought you called in on a phone.
You still can't, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Did you call in on 482-6820?
Yes.
No, sir, that's me.
No. It was 3323.
Who's me? All right, who's me?
Kevin O'Neill. That number you just called, that's my number.
Okay. Mr. Cameron or Soroki was right.
Oh, yes, that's to Ms. Langston, yes.
How did you know that?
Because I thought she checked in earlier and I think I don't know. She's checked in earlier, I believe.
I did.
This is the city of Detroit versus Gina Darcell Langston, case number SP 139-71791, SP 139-7180, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Jana Langston.
Okay, today is nothing. I don't see her on the docket. Let's see if we see her.
She is, Judge. She's under the 835.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. You're dealing with something different here. Maybe Ms. Cameron's going to have to do maybe some advocacy because the offer typically is failure to display. That's going to abstract to the Secretary of State. She has a driver's license to vote.
Yes.
And
I'm sorry.
do you have a valid license now, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
All right.
Always have.
Let's run the license. Try to run the license and see what it says. Maybe it's not. Maybe you don't.
No, I wasn't even driving, sir. I wasn't even there, but I understand the car was in my name. But I've always had my driver's license.
Do you have insurance or registration, ma'am?
Okay. Here's the insurance. Actually, it just expired April 15th last week. And here's the registration.
Well, we got to see the insurance first.
I'm sorry. Can you see it? Okay.
Can you push it closer, please? And by you telling us expired doesn't really help that much.
Yeah. It just expired April 15th. But I no longer have the car anyway, but yes, it just expired.
Do you have a car?
I do. I have a 2004 Dodge Ram.
Do you have insurance and registration for that?
Yes, it's in my vehicle. Dang.
All right, so listen, I got a valid license. How it says your driver's license revoked, I don't know.
I wasn't driving the vehicle. My boyfriend was, and his driver's license is revoked. I wasn't even there, sir. Do you need me to go get my insurance?
Let's see the registration for the vehicle.
Okay, here it is.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss for providing valid documentation. The
Thank you,
registered
Judge.
insurance appeared to be valid at the time.
Thank you, sir.
All right, if nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck.
Thank
to
you, DK. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, may I ask you a question?
Certainly.
You wanted me to come back to you around 9:05 about Mr. Odish,
Okay.
if the officer has checked in.
Let's see here.
Okay.
All right, have a good day, Ms. Langston. Good
Thank
luck.
you, you too, sir.
I have a trooper in here. All right. City of Detroit versus Body Odish, case number, State of Michigan versus Body Odish, case number SX 41644121121. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. AJ Down on behalf of Mr. Odish.
Right, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. I don't have a trooper that is signed in. About Mr. Odish's appearance, please. About Mr. Odish's appearance, Counselor.
Yes, we're waiving the appearance, requesting a waiver of his appearance, Your Honor.
We're waiving, this is a civil infraction. I understand you have authority to his behalf, right?
Yes, Your Honor. We're requesting a motion to dismiss without prejudice.
I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss. There's no trooper. Roger Lee Scott, no trooper Roger Lee Scott. All right. Motion to dismiss granted, no officer, nothing further. Counselors, see you next time. Have a very good day, all right?
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
That gets me to O'Neill.
Yes, sir.
Is that Kevin O'Neill?
Yes, sir.
Is it O-N-E-L-A?
Yes, sir.
Is your license valid, sir?
I don't have a license, sir.
That puts it in a situation where they're gonna probably just offer you. Why don't you have a license? What do you what's
It was involved. It was because of the friends of the court, but I got that matter resolved, and I was just gonna go and try to get them.
Let me give you time to get a license.
Yes,
And you
sir.
sure it's not valid? Are you sure it's not valid?
I mean, I don't have a license. I'm under the assumption that I don't even have one.
All right, let's give them time then. We don't. No, you can't. I will see what the license is. This is the City of Detroit versus Kevin Keith O'Neill, case number SP 139-62522. Appearance for the record, please.
Colleen Stroke on behalf of Kevin O'Neill.
All right, I'm gonna make it easier. State your name for the record, Mr. O'Neill. You don't even need to do that. I'm sorry. State your
Kevin
name.
Keith O'Neill.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna dismiss the ticket as a paid and related civil infraction.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if nothing further, Mr. O'Neill, case is dismissed. Let's see what the license is.
Oh, okay.
So let's see, it's just we already ran it. All right, it is suspended, so. It says, that ticket that he paid, you got 3 points on your license. And that's what suspended your license until June the 1st, 2023. I can let the council speak to the city attorney. You have to sit back and wait till the city attorney comes in and she can help you out. You want to wait on that?
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll pass the matter. Miss Peggy Lee, she still hasn't connected her audio. You have to connect audio, ma'am.
I've chatted her a couple times too, Judge.
Yeah, she doesn't seem to be responding to them. She came back in, she left and came back in, but it still did. Gilmore.
Yes. Yes,
Good
sir.
morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Terrell Joseph Gilmore,
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Terrell Joseph Gilmore, case number SP 138-59641. Appearing for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron. Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Gilmore. Mr. Gilmore, state your name for the record, please.
Tyrell Gilmore.
Today is the date and time set for the pre-trial. Do you have insurance on this vehicle, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's see what you have, please. All right, hold on a second. He's got, let me get it up. Hold, stay there for a minute. Push it a little closer, sir.
1250.
Looks like.
No, it's too close, sir. Too close, too close. Hold it
Right
steady,
there.
please.
Looks like 6/11/2023.
23. Yes, Judge.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
There's nothing further. Mr. Gilmore, have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you, sir.
Odom. Jeremy Odom.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Good morning, sir. What's your
Good morning, sir. Jeremy Mark
Yeah,
Odom.
we do it, the officer showed up.
Oh, okay.
Jeremy Mark Odom.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, Judge.
You have a valid license, sir?
I have a work release license in Atlanta. They got me on block for about 6 months.
I didn't understand that.
No, Your Honor, I don't.
All right, oh, there's the city attorney. Ms. Snyder, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, I have trial here. Today, Silver is here for Mr. Dominguez. The officer's in the breakout room. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, but let's take care of Miss Jeremy Mark Odom first. This is the city of Detroit versus Jeremy Mark Odom. Case number SP 19677. Hold on, who's making the
I'm talking in the background, Your Honor. I can't hear you.
yeah, who's making the noise?
I'm muted, Your Honor, the iPhone Gypsy.
Okay. City of Detroit versus Jeremy Mark Odom. Case number SP 1396773, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Odom.
Mr. Odom, state your name for the record.
Jeremy Mark Odom.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a civil infraction, for a pretrial, I guess this state violation of firearms ordinance is a state case. And we have failure to use due care and caution and drove while unlicensed.
Hey, Your Honor, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. For the notes, it says disregarding right-of-way traffic while crossing 8 Mile Road during rainstorm. So I don't really know.
Your Honor, they gave me that. Your Honor, they gave me that ticket.
Well, let me stop you. Let me stop you, sir. Let me stop you. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with a very, very good lawyer, and you can explain all that to her, all right? And then she will be able to take your hat off first, please.
Sure.
All right. Then I'm sure that she can help. Is this Ms. Soroki?
Yes.
All right. Join the room, Mr. Odom, when I populate it, and then you can tell your story to Ms. Soroki, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Okay. Now, I do have an officer in the room for Mr. Botelli. Do we ever no, for this case.
No, I'm still waiting for him to bring.
So we don't have a ticket, an actual complaint. We have an ROA, and we've called down there for that. We do have an officer, Botelli, in here, and we have the defendant and his counsel in court in person. And today is the date and time set for a trial. So I'm going to put you in a breakout room. In the breakout room, you can speak with Officer Botelli first, and I can put you in a separate room if necessary, or whatever you want to do. Ms. Snyder.
If I could speak to the officer first, please, Your Honor.
You want me to put him in a separate room, or the same room is fine? As I usually do.
Probably a separate room for now to start.
Let's do that. Morning, court, man. All right, let's continue on. All right, who's on the telephone at 375-30? Strike that 5753-0882. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. 0882, last 4 digits. Okay, there you go. Press. What's your name, please?
Rolando Graham.
Graham. Good morning to you, sir.
Morning.
City of Detroit, strike that. State of Michigan versus Rolando Graham, case number SX4128291, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Graham, state your name for the record, please.
Rolando Graham.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. His offer is going to be pleading to the improper equipment, dismissing the other 2.
Would you like to avail yourself with that recommendation, sir? That's a 0-point offense.
And it's $120. You have an absolute right to a trial. You can speak to Ms. Cameron in a breakout room if you choose to. What would you like to do?
So I just got to pay the $120. I don't get no point.
Yeah, we'll close it out.
Yep, I'll do that.
Ms. Cameron, on behalf of your client, we stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
Yes, Judge, we will stipulate. Thank you.
Stipulates probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, we'll stipulate the probable cause on the 2 dismissals, Judge.
Very well. Fine. Responsible as charged, $120. When can you pay, Mr. Graham?
In about 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks.
What is it, 2 or 3 weeks?
3 weeks.
Are you working?
Yeah, I just got to take care of a couple things.
All right, I'm gonna give you
maximum time.
I'm gonna give you until May 22nd, 2023. Same time I gave everybody else. All right, if there's nothing further, sir, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, all right?
All right, appreciate it.
All right.
We're gonna wait for an offer on that other matter, so I think we probably need the state prosecutor also.
Which one is that?
And Odom. I left him in the breakout room.
Okay, let me try to get the state prosecutor in here right now.
Thank you.
So pleasant. She is.
She is.
She's a breath of fresh air. You sound, you're so much like Bruce Morrow.
Bro, some of us at work like shit.
Uh-oh.
I'm supposed to sit in this shit all day.
All right, sir, you want to get put out?
Man, my phone gonna die, so I'm gonna be put out.
All right, well, I don't need to hear the expletives and stuff like that. I brought you in and I'm trying to get you out in the order that you came in.
Man,
so I don't need to hear the foul language, all right? He's always the one with the most tickets. I believe you gave me that kind of language the last time too. All right, Mr. Ozor G. Ozor G. Can you pardon me?
Mr. Osro Graham. Yes, sir. How's it going?
Graham, okay. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you too.
I've been in court for like 6 hours. Hell no.
All right, Mr. Hey, listen. I'm gonna put you in the waiting room and wait on your turn, because I'm tired of hearing your mouth. Miss Peggy Lee, you ever get your device connected? No, never did.
Judge, Mr. Graham's matters are scheduled for trial today. I don't believe I saw any of the officers check in today.
All right.
I already went to court for this.
Ambrose is here.
Oh, Ambrose is here? Okay.
Yeah, Ambrose is here.
Okay,
So
let's see him come in.
Here.
Okay.
Let's get Miss That we're just gonna wait on them. I think most of, Hale is here, Bennett is here, Rule is here, Corporate is here, Ambrose is here. Rule, Corporate, Bennett, Hale, most of,
Okay,
other gentlemen's officers are here.
okay. He has 4 tickets up for trial today. There's no officers on.
Who is that?
On
Yes.
Mr. Osro Graham.
I count 3.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm reading off a phone. Sorry about
Mr.
that.
Graham, do you have a valid license?
This is the only thing that's holding up my license.
This shouldn't be holding up your license.
It was a reckless driving, and they said it was insurance that I had to pay.
Oh, okay. All right, so the reckless driving is gonna get dismissed. All right, let's sit tight until I can get the city attorney gets a chance to speak to the officer, all right?
Yes, sir.
That gets me down to Gypsy Green Bonner. Gypsy Green Bonner. iPhone. I don't see that name. Okay, Green Bonner. Gypsy Green Bonner, I see it. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Ms. Bonner, can you unmute yourself, please? Touch your lower bottom of your screen. Hit the little microphone.
Is she unmuted?
Not yet, Judge. Her husband's trying to help her out here.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yep, there you go.
There you go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi.
Good morning to you, ma'am. This is Craig versus Gypsy Green Bonner, case number SB 128-1066, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Gypsy Green Bonner. Morning, Ms. Bonner.
Hi, everybody.
Hello. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Ms. Cameron.
Your Honor, at this time, we'd ask the court to set aside the show causes in each matter based on Ms. Bonner's appearance here today.
All right, we'll remove we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client. We have a $0 bond. Ms. Bonner, I see that you have this in no proof of insurance, which I'm sure is affecting your license here.
Yes, I took care of the no insurance and registration on the car, but I don't even have that car anymore. I still need time to work on my license, but I haven't been driving either.
All right, allow her to pay the reinstatement fee up front. Is this the only jurisdiction you have tickets in, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, if you're gonna need to come down to the courthouse, ma'am. You have an ink pen on you?
No.
Can you get an ink pen?
Yes. 1 second. Okay, I'm ready.
SP 128-10662.
Okay.
This is just a special for you, Miss Bonner. All right. I'm gonna allow you to pay this $45 reinstatement fee up front. It's gonna leave the case open. You're still gonna have the case, but that's gonna allow you to get clearances here at the 36th District Court so you can go and potentially get a driver's license, all right?
Thank you. Could you say those numbers one more time, please? The letter SP 12.
128 10662.
Okay, thank you.
That's SP 128 10662. And that you have to come down physically to the cashier down there and let her know that I'm allowing you to pay the $45 up front. You wait 48 to 72 hours once you pay that and approach the Secretary of State and see if they can give you a license. I'm gonna have you back on June 1st, 2023 at 8:30, okay? Pre-trial.
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Greenbonner, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Peggy Lee never, all right, on that Samsung SM A0374U device, can you unmute yourself and state your name, please? Ms. Snyder.
Malik Lewis. Malik Lewis.
That's not Malik Lewis on the Samsung.
I'm sorry.
SM.
Is it
Edmund Lewis?
No, I'm sorry.
You may be on a Samsung device, but that's not the person I'm talking to. All right, Ms. Snyder. Everybody's on a Samsung device now, you know. Get up in line. All right, that Samsung device never unmuted themselves. They had their hand up.
They're all mute now, Your Honor.
Okay, is that?
Oh, man.
There we go. Okay, go ahead, ma'am. What's your name, please?
Sam, what's your name? On the
On the
Samsung.
Samsung?
My name is Edmund Lindsay.
Not you, Mr. Lindsay.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Samsung, you just said, oh, man. All right, I'm gonna move on. Your hand is raised. State your name with your hand raised. All you have to do is talk into the device now, ma'am. All right. Ms. Snyder, what's gonna go on with, did the ticket ever come?
No.
All right.
We were gonna give the court, I believe Attorney Silver does need to go to Frank Murphy, so we were gonna give the court until about 9:40, 9:45 to wait for the ticket and then ask Your Honor to call it, and we'll make our motions.
Yeah, there's no ticket.
I can come down to the court in person. It might be easier since Attorney Silver's there.
Very well. Well, it doesn't matter. No, Ms. Snyder, it's not gonna be any, not gonna be any, you don't need her here, do you? Let's go.
As nice as she is.
No, because she's got to go in there and talk to those. I got Mr. Golden that wants to jump down my throat. Let's do it now. You did call for the ticket, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. City of Detroit versus Adrian Jimenez Dominguez, case number U633433122. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. The officer is present. He's still in a breakout room.
Let me bring on. All right, go ahead. Put your appearance on the record, Ms. Silver.
Yes, thank you, Judge. Good morning, Gabby Silver, appearing on behalf of Adrian Jimenez Dominguez.
All right, Mr. Jimenez Dominguez, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yeah.
Speak up louder. As a matter of fact, it's probably better for both of you guys to stand over by the microphone right there.
This one right here?
Yeah, that's good, right there.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Say your name. Good morning, Honor. My name is Adrian Jimenez Dominguez.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. It doesn't appear that I'm able to bring out. It may be easier for you to go in there and get him out. Back in. He went right back in.
Oh.
All right, he's out now. Okay, officer, good morning, Officer Bortello. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Officer Botello, sir.
All right, name, a badge number and department, please.
Badge 374, Detroit Police Department.
Very good. Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Now, I've given both parties an opportunity to discuss the matter. However, I do not have a signed complaint here. And for a myriad of reasons, I do not proceed without a signed complaint. So no fault of yours, officer. I believe you've done everything that you could do. It appears that somewhere in the court, the ticket got lost in the shuffle. So go ahead, Ms.
Yes, Your Honor. We were here prepared to defend this matter this morning. Based on the court's representation, we would make a motion to dismiss.
You can respond, Ms. Schneider.
Thank you, Your Honor. We do not have our own copy of the ticket. We're not able to proceed without having a copy of the ticket as necessary for the factual basis. Your Honor did state this is not the officer's fault. It was something that got lost in the court system. I would ask for a one-time adjournment, although I do understand today is the date and time set for trial and the attorney and her client are both present. If you're disinclined to grant that request, I would ask for a dismissal without prejudice.
Very well. I'm going to dismiss the case, no signed complaint. And again, no fault of the officer at all. He appears to have gotten the ticket here as he should have, and as he was supposed to do, but it did not get up to the courtroom for some reason or other, which happens from time to time. So I'm going to dismiss the case for no complaint, and I'm going to obviously dismiss it without prejudice.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. I'll explain
Thank
to
you,
my
Your
client what that means.
Very good. All right.
Thank
Mr. Dominguez, have a very good day. Good luck to you. Ms. Silver, thank you for appearing. I appreciate that. Good to see you.
It was good to see you as usual.
All right. Have a great day and have a good, very good weekend, both.
Thanks, you too.
All right.
And your wonderful.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Attorney Silver, what was the first name and P number again?
Oh, sorry. My first name is Gabi, G-A-B-I. My bar number is 36382.
Thank you.
Which makes me old.
That's old as me.
Have a good day.
See you guys.
Okay, I'm gonna put, Ms. Snyder, can you go join the room? We have Golden and we have Graham, and we also have Gross, I think. Golden, Graham, and Gross. I thought I saw Gross come in. Did I not? Did I not? No. I don't think we have Gross. We have Golden and Graham for sure. All right. Can you join the breakout room and speak to those officers, please? Good morning, APA Cole. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Soroki for Mr. Oda.
Open up.
Now, so Graham is here, Golden is here. And Gross is not, and we've taken care of it. That brings us down to the Samsung again. Let's try it one more time. You have your hand raised, now you're muted. I need you to unmute yourself. All right, let's move on. Tyrone Jada.
Miss Gibbons.
Okay, that's on the Samsung, Judge.
Oh, is it? Oh, is it?
Yes.
There.
Ms. Gibbons, please stay on.
Is that Gibbons, Latanga Gibbons, or is that Gibbons, G-I-V?
Ms. Gibbons, Gibbons or Givens?
Well, she keeps muting herself.
I know.
Can you hear me?
I can hear
Yes.
you now.
This is Miss Gibbons.
G-B-B?
Gibbons.
City of Detroit versus Miss Latanga Gibbons. Case number SP 1439812, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Latanga Gibbons. Judge, these matters are scheduled for formal hearing today.
Are they scheduled for formal hearing?
That's what it says on the docket, Judge.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Today is the day and time for, I had Officer Spidell here, but he's not here now.
Let me check the chat, Judge, because I did see a message from an officer that said he had to go to a different courtroom. Yes, Officer Spidell said, I have to check
Yes, I
into
see.
Judge Evans's courtroom. I'll be back.
All right, based on that, we're going to give him an opportunity to check in, but that gives me a time, Ms. Gibbons, to make you aware that you have an old 2014 case that needs to be taken care of.
What was it for?
Truancy.
That was for my children.
Yeah, you have to go to Judge Evans. I mean, strike that. You have to go to Judge Bryant for that. That's on her docket. I'm going to give you Judge Bryant's information, all right?
Okay.
So that you can take care of that. You got an ink pen? You have an ink pen, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Judge Bryant, Zoom ID is 360-339-0000. And her phone number to her courtroom is 313-965-2295.
Okay, so what do I do? I have to go to 36th District to make this appointment?
Well,
Or
I
just
would
call the
call
number
over
you gave
there.
me?
I would call over there once you get out of here, call over there, and then maybe they can help you over the phone to set a court date up or at least instruct you on what you need to do. Okay? So
Okay, thank you.
let's talk about this other case though.
Okay.
I have SP 128. So there's another case in your name that's driving while license suspended. Let me see that.
That's true.
Case. Well, I didn't ask you whether it was true or not, Val. I think you need to talk to the lawyer before you go admitting stuff like that. I'm just saying what's in your name. Well, I guess she's saying it's true. She knows that allegation is out there.
Right. But I have a permit now. I went to the Secretary of State and took the written test and I passed. So I have a permit. So now I'm just waiting to take the road test.
Run her driver's license, please. What about insurance, ma'am? Do you have valid insurance?
No, not yet.
All right, so, okay, here's what we got. All right, you've paid this ticket. So, I'm going to still allow, let's call SP 128-8362 into the record, please. City of Detroit versus Latanga Gibbons.
Can you tell me what ticket that was again?
We may not need Spidell. I'm gonna run the license, see what the license says. If the license is valid, we're gonna dismiss both of the cases.
Okay, Judge.
Because she paid a related no proof of insurance ticket.
Okay, that
Last-
was paid. Okay. And the 2014 case is, I believe, over the age of the time frame for administrative dismissals.
Yeah, I'm gonna allow her to go to Judge Bryant. That's on her docket.
Oh, that's
It was
right. I'm
made in,
sorry.
It was made in September of 2013. The allegation was made, so I'll let her take care of her stuff on her docket.
What about the time? What's the time frame, Judge, now on administrative dismissals for age?
It's 7 years. It's on some cases. All right, here we go. So
Okay,
let's
thank
do
you.
it like this, Ms. Gibbons. SP 128886362. We're gonna dismiss for providing valid documentation. SP 1439821. We're gonna dismiss for paying related civil infraction. All right. So that's gonna conclude it, Ms. Gibbons. We'll dismiss both the cases. Now all you need to do is call up Judge Bryant and get that other case out of taken care of, all right?
Okay, I appreciate that. Thank you. And also, I have a paper here when I went to 36th District Court. They gave me an appointment with you for May 23rd, 2023 at 8:45.
Wait a minute. Yeah. That case is dismissed, disregarded.
Okay.
Have a great day. Good luck to you, all right?
Thank you so much and have a great weekend.
You too. Congratulations on that license. So let's call Tyrone Jada. I don't think that person is, all right, Ms. Schneider, are we ready on Graham? LaFleur? Sir. Good morning to you. Let's get Mr. LaFleur out of here. What about Odom? Are we ready on Odom?
Let me see. Jeremy Odom. That Pauline had that one. I'm not sure.
I'm back, Your Honor. Sorry. So
I didn't know you were gone.
I just stepped to the, sorry, a second. Miss Cole went to Judge Garrett's courtroom and she indicated she could not make an offer today. So I could not relay that to Mr. Odom because he's in a different breakout room.
You have the documentation, Mr.
Yes.
Give it to the young lady.
This is the city of Detroit versus Raphael LaFleur. Case numbers SP 1407328, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. It's not on the docket today.
My name is
Glenn
Raphael.
Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. LaFleur.
Say it.
Raphael Martin LaFleur.
All right, let's call the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. I got documentation of insurance and registration. If you can make a copy of these, we'll put it in the spot. What I'll do is just see. Oh, I think your daughter sent it. She sent it to you.
Today.
No.
She said she's gonna try and send it again today, but it's
Well, it doesn't
it's
matter.
okay. Yeah, it's all right.
All right. At least you tried. Make a copy of that, put it in the file. I'm gonna dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Brother, sir, have a very good day. Good
You
luck.
too. Thank you. Have a good weekend.
All right, let's go down to, bring out Odom and get him going on this way. Set a trial date then, right?
Correct.
Can you go grab him out of there, please?
I got some paper.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jeremy Mark Odom. Mr. Odom, the prosecutor did come in. I believe Mr. Soroki gave you the information. They're gonna need the officer in here before they give you an offer. So we'll set a trial date for June 20th, 2023 at 9 a.m. If you don't have any further questions, sir, you're free to leave. You got it. You understand what's going on.
Thank you, Your Honor. Are they gonna mail me the same thing?
I don't know, probably should, but let's not count on that. Let's
Yeah, it's not
just
coming
put
to.
June 20th, 2023 in your calendar, please,
What time again? 8 a.m.?
at 9 a.m.
9 a.m.? Okay.
And if you get a valid license, that would help you out.
I get it together. It's a work permit. I get everything together.
All right, very well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Snyder, let's talk about Graham. Was an offer afforded to Graham?
Judge, you're not dismissing this block and traffic?
No.
Okay.
Where's Ms. Snyder?
Judge, she left a note that she had to pick up some files.
And we're still gonna need to run O'Neill also, so.
What's going on with
What about
O'Neill?
O'Neill?
We need an offer.
We need an offer for O'Neill. And what was O'Neill?
Kevin O'Neill, he has several,
Well, no, Mr. O'Neill, so I was willing to dismiss this case. He needs to take care of this disregarding the red signal. What I'll do, I was gonna dismiss paying related civil infraction. But if he wants to get his license back before June, if he wants to get his license back before June the 1st, then you gotta see if they don't mind about the, what's going on with the, suspended license with this, he's got a suspended license ticket and he has a, disregard the red signal. He paid the disregard the red signal, therefore signing up for the 3 points, and that's what suspended his license till June 1st. So I was dismissing based on paying a related civil infraction, but if he wants to get a better offer then, or see if he can get a better offer, then you can ask.
I will. I remember that now, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Dante. There's Ms. Snyder. Let's go with, all right, let's go back on the record with Mr. O'Neill. Mr. Kevin Keith O'Neill. Can you put your appearance on the record, Ms. Snyder?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P 80322.
All right, this is a case where I dismissed because he paid a related civil infraction. Probably unbeknownst to him, by paying a disregard a red signal, traffic control device, disobey traffic signal. He signed up for 3 points on his license and suspended his license till June 1st. So he had a improper license and a disregard and traffic control device. Counselor, I dismissed the improper license because he paid the related civil infraction. She wants to see if what you can do or what you would offer him if he can set aside that, if you would allow him to set aside the depot.
Is this the car? That's just the golden.
Golden. And then, what I did for Spidell, Officer Spidell's, and then Graham, do you need to see Graham, or you guys?
Only has 2 counts.
Yeah.
Only officer.
What do you, what did you,
FTD.
FTD?
Ms.
All right.
Snyder.
Good morning.
Hi, I'm Mr. Graham. He has several matters that are scheduled for trial today. There's 2 offers did not appear. We're looking for an offer on the no insurance and the no ops ticket for Officer Spidell.
We
The other
just an
matters-
FTD, dismiss everything else.
Okay, thank you. Ready on that, Judge, then.
All right, so that FTD is gonna probably further suspend his license for at least another 30 days. Just so he knows that, all right? All right, let's call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus Osro Trayvon Graham, case number SP 107-1463, counts 1 and counts 2. 17-335432, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 11704531. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Osro Graham. Mr. Graham, state your name for the record, please, sir.
Oswald Trayvon Graham Jr.
Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. I'm trying to pull out Officer Ambrose, Corporal Ambrose. Mr. Graham, your offer is going to be pleading to the amended count of failure to display. Let's go take care of the tickets that officers weren't here. Ask for 17-335-432, counts 1 and counts 2. Is there an Officer Towns? Officer Towns here, no response. Go ahead, Counsel.
Your Honor, Judge, we'd ask that matter be dismissed. We understand it would be without prejudice as to those 2 counts.
All right, and then SP 1170451, Officer Liss.
Yes, once again, Your Honor, we would motion to dismiss, understanding that dismissal would be without prejudice also. Thank you.
Grant those motions to dismiss officers not present. So now the FTD is going to be a $240 fine. We'll dismiss the other misdemeanor, no insurance. That's going to likely generate an additional 30-day suspension. It's going to be a misdemeanor on your record. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Cameron to speak to her regarding that. If he wants to take the deal, please make sure you read him his advice or rights.
Yes, Judge, will do. Thank you.
All right. Now, let's go down to
O'Neill, I'll take it down to a 0-point limited access.
0-point limited access.
Yes, Patty.
Thank you,
I
Ms. Snyder.
don't think that's going
Let's go.
to actually be good.
I'll move on.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Kevin. Did you say something, Ms. Williams?
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Ambrose, Corporal Ambrose, can you put your appearance on the record for, let's go back on the record with Graham for momentarily. For Graham.
Morning, Your Honor.
Yes. Can you put your appearance on the record for Graham, please?
Corporal Brian Ambrose, badge 4151, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning. She's discussing the offer. I'm sure this is going to settle. You can sit and wait if you like, or you can leave if you like. I'm sure we can get back in touch with you if we need to.
Okay, I'll wait.
It should be, okay. All right, let's go off the record with that. Let's go back on the record with Kevin Keith O'Neill. Okay, Mr. O'Neill, here's the deal.
Yes, sir.
The city attorney is being very generous to you today, and she did review your driving record, and that helped you out. You've got some things, but it's not anywhere near as bad as you've seen, and a lot of the stuff is old. So it appears that this, outside of 2009, you haven't had a ticket. So she's going to allow you to set aside that responsible plea and to enter into blocking traffic. That's going to cost you $45 more, and still dismiss the misdemeanor. What that's going to do is going to potentially allow you to get a or it will allow you to get a driver's license, because I don't see anything else on your record that would prevent that. But you're going to have to pay another $45. You want to do that, sir? That's going to be a blocking traffic amended count. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State. Therefore, it doesn't carry any points, and that is what will free your license up after you take the deal, if you want to take it.
Yes, sir.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you just put $45 on here? You paid $130. Can you just add $45 to this?
Which ticket?
When can you pay that $45, sir?
Today.
All right, come on down here, or when you see it on the kiosk, at the kiosk, or until you can upload the kiosk to your app that did that, or when you see it, when you come down here, by the time you get down here, it should be entered into the system. It'll be $45. You wait 48 to 72 hours and approach the Secretary of State, all right?
Do you want me to add?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Amended to blocking traffic. He already paid $130, add another $45, so you can just pay $45. Yeah.
What's the ticket number?
SP 139-62521.
62521.
Yes, and then that's the count 2 of that ticket is going to be dismissed. All right, sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right.
Thank you. You too.
All right, thank you. Okay. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. wants to accept
I can't hear you.
I said, Your Honor, Mr. Graham would like to accept the offer.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Graham?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? I need to see you. You need to turn your camera on. Did we get an offer for Golden?
Yes, I've written it down in a way I think makes sense.
Did Graham turn his camera on? All
Mr.
right.
Graham, Oswald Graham, can you please turn your camera on for the court, please?
All right. Let's go off the record with Graham then until he turns his camera on. Golden, Thomas Golden, we have an offer for you. I guess what I see is one count of failure to display, $240. 2 counts of improper plates, $240 a piece. I'll dismiss upon payment. They don't abstract to the Secretary of State. 2 counts of responsible for expired plates, $145 a piece. And then 1 count of no registration, $90. 2 cases in review and dismissed 10 other cases.
And just for the record, Your Honor, Alexis Schneider for the people, P 80322. The other 10 are for the officers who are here. I didn't count the no POs in the dismissals.
Okay. On the record, I'm just giving this to,
my bad.
because is he still there? But his phone must have gone out of batteries. I'm gonna assume. Okay, now Spidell, Corporal Spidell. I'll put him up here on that. What's going on? Corporal Spidell, you there?
Hello?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, so Corporal Spidell, what we did with your case was we dismissed it. And the reason is that Miss Gibbons, you wrote her for speeding and you wrote her for no insurance. Well, the no insurance she paid. So we just dismissed the speeding, and she has a valid license. I don't know if she didn't have one at the time or not.
Okay, I'm fine with that.
Okay, so she had already paid it, and it's in the system on here as formal hearing, but when I look in there, it's closed out because it's paid, all right? So I figured we'll dismiss one and she paid the other. All right, Corporal Spidell, if it's not, let me write on here that you were here. I got you marked on the file as appeared.
All right, I'm all set.
Yeah, there's nothing further. Be safe out there. Have a very good weekend.
Thank you as well.
Okay. All right. Now, let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, are you there now?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you raise you heard that? Do you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. So you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Miss Cameron went over some of your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
She did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
You have any question about those rights?
No, sir.
You know you're going to be giving up those rights if you take this deal.
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, Mr. Brown, let me draw your attention back to way back to March the 5th, 2020 at around 2:28 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Wyoming and Florence. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Because my license had got suspended.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of admitting count of failure to display, $240 fine, dismiss the other matters. I'm going to waive the warrant fees on all these and hold him responsible to pay the reinstatement fees. Stipulation of probable cause, dismiss all the other matters for the reasons we stated on the record, and then one matter for the one matter for the plea. Stipulation, please.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. $240, sir. When can you pay?
Tomorrow.
I'll put it in the system for next week just in case. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, all right?
Can I not pay it online because I don't have a license, sir?
Yeah, then you can pay it online, but it takes a little longer. Yeah, go ahead and try to pay it online. It should get here.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Golden.
Hello.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you.
All right. So did you hear the offer? So it was 16 counts. So they want you to plead to 6 of them and dismissing the rest. Failure to display, $240 fine. That will abstract. It doesn't carry any points. It's a misdemeanor. 2 other misdemeanors of improper plates. Those don't abstract. It's going to be $240 a piece for those. I'll dismiss those upon payment. 2 civil infractions of expired plates, $145 a piece, and 1 civil infraction of no registration, $90. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with the lawyer to speak with.
Before you put me in the breakout room, so I'm really not good.
I can't really hear you, sir.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm going to the bathroom right now. But
all right. You're saying before I put you in the breakout room, what?
I mean, you told me last month that you wanted me to go get my license, and you wanted me to do
do you have a license? Do you have a license?
I mean, I'm trying to get to it, but I did driver's course, and I went to the Secretary of State and tried to get my license, and they told me that I got 3 tickets. I got 3 tickets that I was like charged with, and these 3 tickets I could going to court for. Like, I got the ticket numbers, and these 3 tickets.
All right, hold on a second, Mr. Gold. Hold on a second so I can run the license.
I can give you the ticket numbers right now. The 3 tickets that Secretary of State said they're showing up.
All right, let me run the license and then let me get your license and then you can give me the ticket numbers, all right?
All right.
Is there some kind of way you can get a better connection on the volume?
I mean, Judge, this is why I was kind of aggravated earlier, because there's not a way I can get a better connection.
We'll deal with it. I'm just trying to see if you can turn your volume up. We'll deal with it.
All right, I'm about to take these headphones out. If the call hangs up, it's because I'm trying to, well, hold on.
All right, I'll let you back in.
All right, can you hear me better?
That's better. That's much better. All right, now what were you talking about? Did you get it? I'm gonna run the license and see what's going on with the license. You went to the Secretary of State. They told you 3 things were messed up, right?
No, they told me that I had 3. They said that by me never having a license, never getting a license, I got 3 tickets that I'm being charged. That I've been charged with, and by me having them 3 tickets, I gotta wait 3 years to get a license. But my whole thing is, them 3 tickets go in the same boat as all of the rest of my tickets, because I never went to court for these 3 tickets. So, and I didn't miss my court date, so I don't even know how did I get found guilty.
What's the ticket numbers? What are the ticket numbers?
And I'm not, and these tickets I want to take to court because I wasn't speeding.
What are the ticket numbers, Mr. Gold?
These some tickets that I would fight against.
Mr. Gold, can you hear me? He can't hear me. Mr. Gold.
And the lady said, if these tickets get taken off, I can come back and get my license. She said it's only.
All right, what are the ticket numbers?
Mr. Golden, the judge wants you to give him the ticket numbers.
I can't really hear you. 1 second. Let me see what just happened.
I can probably figure it out myself.
It was like my volume just went all the way down.
Okay.
Can y'all hear me?
So, all right. The ticket numbers, right?
All right, I got them for you. You ready for them?
I'm gonna give them to you.
Okay, give it to me.
SP 131-95501.
Yep, that's one.
That's one. What's the other one? And SP. It still appears. It appears right now that you didn't. When did you go in there?
When did I go into where? Secretary of State?
Yes.
I mean, I scheduled a online appointment, and when I scheduled it, the lady called me and cause she seen that I was coming to get a license, so she for you won't waste your time, I'm gonna tell you that you can't get your license.
When did you do that?
Probably right when you told me to do it, so like a few weeks ago. It was recently.
Was it before February? Was it before February 18th?
We in March right now. It was after February 18th.
Okay. It says you're eligible after February 18th. So anyway, that ticket, was it a ticket number SP?
It was three of them. It's SP 130562232, and then it's SP 122722831.
Say that last one again.
The last one was SP 122722831.
SP 13.
No, SP 122722831. And then the other one before that.
I don't even see that on here.
I don't see
I can tell you the tickets. I remember getting all three of them tickets together. It was reckless driving, no license and no insurance. So them three tickets was all, I got them together, and that was the three tickets that she gave me.
Say that last one again, SP 122.
I threw it down. Hold on 1 second. It's SP 122722831.
831. 72831. Okay, that's a failure to display. That was back to 2022. So there's nothing we can do about that one, but if we take care of these other two, I'm thinking you're gonna be eligible. All right, let's call the cases. City of Detroit. Now, this is gonna pose another problem for him in that he went to the Secretary of State, and basically what the FTD, because he's never had a license before, he's not eligible for a license for 3 years because he's had 2 moving violations, at least 2 moving violations.
Well, and Your Honor, he indicated he had an outstanding reckless driving. I don't see that on the stacket.
No, I don't see an outstanding reckless. He meant a careless.
Yeah, careless driving. I apologize, careless driving.
Did you say, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
So here's the problem that he's gonna face. With this FTD, he's gonna face potentially the same sanction.
Is he eligible now?
It appears on his record that he is, but I don't think he's eligible now. Because, like he said, that 3 years, it appears that he can get a license now. It's 2/18/2023. But like he said, the lady called him and told him that he's suspended for 3 years because of that careless, because of he entered into a failure to display last year, 2020, September 2022. And then the other ticket was a no proof of insurance. So with those, all of those are abstracted as if they're moving violations. And then when you have 2 or more moving violations, when you never had a valid license, that's when you get that severe penalty of 3 years of 3 years of suspension. So I believe he is correct in that, although it just does not says, okay, it says registration denial from January 20th to indefinite. So I'm thinking he's given the proper information.
Okay, my original thought was setting it over and see if he could get a license or maybe get an appointed attorney. But I guess I don't know if that would help him.
Now this is totally up to you, Counselor. If you would amend that to an allowing, you'd be paying the same amount of money. That would do it for him.
I'll trade the FTD for 2 allowings.
For 2 allowings. All right. So here's the deal, sir. And I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Who wants to take this case?
I can do it. I wrote most of the pleas down, so.
All right. So replace that 1 FTD for 2 allowings is going to charge him an extra $240, and I'll give him time to pay, and then he should be able to get a license in 48 to 72 hours after he leaves here.
So Judge, you said, is he pleading to 7?
So he'll be pleading to 7.
Okay, I've got it.
Dismissing the 9, and then dismissing some of the other ones where the officers didn't even show up. So the 16 tickets were from officers that had showed up. He's got more than that, but they're those other ones are going to just be dismissed because the officer didn't show.
Thank you.
Am I correct? All right. Join the breakout room. Speak to Mr. Golden, and see if he wants to take the deal. If he does, read him his advice or rights.
All right.
Join the room, Mr. Golden. All right, Mr. Gullich, sorry. Unmute yourself, turn your camera on, please. City of Detroit versus Dante Antonio Gullich. Case number SP 867-417, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 950289, counts 1, 2, and 3. In the state of Michigan versus Dante Antonio Gullich, case number SX 412-4782, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Gullich.
All right. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on, well, pretrials. Why does it say warrant? Pretrials. I'm going to enter not guilty plea on his behalf in a $0 bond. It says pretrials, but they still have warrants on them. So we'll recall the warrants. These cases date back to 18 and 2022, the state cases. We can get you an offer, just set a trial date, Mr. Gullich.
Your Honor, based on the fact that one of the matters pending before the court is leaving the scene of a property damage accident, I would suggest to him that he schedule these matters for a trial.
And I will state this, that's exactly what the state attorney is going to ask for anyway. So we're just going to set all the matters for trial on June the 1st, 2023, all right, at 9 a.m., Mr. Gullich.
Excuse me, Your Honor, you cut out when you said the date. You said June what?
June the 1st, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Right.
We'll set all the matters then because they're not even going to offer you on the property damage accident until they speak to the officer, if the officer shows, all right?
All right.
June the 1st, we'll get some resolution to it, all right?
All right, what time, sir?
9 a.m.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Very well. Are we ready on Golden?
We
All right,
are.
have a good weekend.
You have a better one, thank you. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Thomas Berlin Golden Jr., case number SP 1305620, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1319553, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1335781, counts 1 and counts 2, and count 3. Let's go with SP 1350608, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1380565, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1406321, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1409548, counts 1 and counts 2. 17392961, 184147291, SP 1305623, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1319550, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Thomas Golden.
All right, Mr. Golden, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Thomas Golden.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. We'll get the officers checked in. I think Miss the Officer Hale, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Police Officer Kyle Hale, badge 868, Detroit Police Department.
Very well. Good morning to you.
Morning.
Did you get the rest of them out?
I believe they're behind me, Your Honor.
All right, Officer Rule, Corporal Rule, can you put your appearance on the record, please? Corporal Rule, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal Rule, badge 3896, Detroit Police.
All right, good morning to you. Corporal Bennett, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. And Corporate is still in the room. All
He had to step away, Your Honor.
Corporate, can you put your appearance on the record, please? All right.
Your Honor, I think Kropik had to step away for a second.
Yeah, he just.
I'm sorry. Corporal Kropik, badge 775, City, Detroit, police officer.
All right, very well. All right, let's go ahead with the plea. Mr. Golden, you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I do.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking the offer, Miss Soroki went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
You understood them?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about them?
No, I don't got no questions about them.
You understand you'll be giving them up once you take this deal?
Yes, sir, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
And we did put that in the record. That would be 2 counts of allowing, 2 counts of improper, 2 expired plates, and 1 no registration, and dismissing the rest. All right, sir, let me draw your attention back to April the 1st, 2022 at around 10:28 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and Murray Hill. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yeah, I did.
On that date, were you operating a motor vehicle, sir?
Can you say that again?
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And during that operation of that motor vehicle, did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, I couldn't.
Why is that?
I mean, Judge, I ain't never had a license.
I understand that. I mean, I know it's stating the obvious, but I gotta ask questions. We gotta make a factual basis.
I mean, because like, you know, to sum it all up, I don't know. I don't want to give excuses, but I'm gonna try to get a license.
You're not giving any excuses. All we're doing is making the factual basis so we can put the stuff behind you.
I can't really give a reason as to why I don't have.
No, you said, okay, you can't give a reason. All you gotta do, you already said the reason, because you never had a license before in your life, right?
Well, that's the reason. I ain't never go get a license.
Right. There we go. I'm gonna find him guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That's gonna be $240 fine. Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do so there, could you?
No, I couldn't.
It's not funny, sir.
I'm not laughing, Judge. I just feel like, I don't know. It feels funny how you asking me these questions. I'm not laughing at the problems. It's just funny how you. All
right, it's a process. This is how the process goes. And why couldn't you produce the insurance?
No, I couldn't produce insurance, Judge.
And why couldn't you produce it?
At the time, I think I couldn't afford insurance.
All right, there it is. I'm gonna find him guilty of the amended count of improper plates. $240 fine. Both of those are going to be non-abstractable. They're going to be misdemeanors, and I'm going to dismiss those misdemeanors once he pays the ticket. For the expired plate, you didn't have any plates on this vehicle, did you?
I had expired plates, but yeah, I didn't have plates.
Very well. I'll find him responsible for that, $145. All right, now let me take you back to November the 10th, 2022, at around 3:45 p.m. in the area of Joy Road and Memorial. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
On that date, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir, I couldn't.
And why is that?
I never had one.
Very well. See how easy it is?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna find him guilty of allowing, and you didn't have a plate on that vehicle either, did you, sir?
I had expired plates.
Very well. I'm gonna find him responsible for the expired plates. 240, 145. I'm gonna dismiss the allowing upon payment. So now, let me draw your attention back to, this is the last one, I hope, but let me draw your attention back to November the 28th. So just 18 days later, did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the same Detroit police officer?
Yeah, I did.
Over there in your hood on Joy Road in Rutland, didn't he?
Yeah, I picked my son up from school and dropped him off there. So yeah, I do.
I know. Okay, that's your hood though, right, Mr. Golden?
No, sir. I'm from the east side, Judge. That ain't my hood.
Oh, okay. So you all the way on the west side. He doesn't discriminate where he drives without a license.
I'm good in every hood.
That's corporate hood. I know that's just corporate rules hood. All right. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did he ask you to produce valid insurance? Did he ask you to produce a valid license?
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I didn't ever have one.
Very well. Find him guilty of the many count of a line. Did he ask you to produce insurance on that vehicle?
Yes, he did.
Couldn't do that, could you?
No, sir, I couldn't.
All right. And why is that? Didn't have insurance, correct?
Right.
All right, I'm gonna find him guilty of the amended count of allowing and the amended count of improper plates, $240 apiece. All right, with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
No stipulated.
All right. All right, so I got 240, 240, 240. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. I'm gonna scratch one of those 240s. Four misdemeanors and 3 civil infractions. I'm gonna scratch one of those misdemeanors. Strike SP 1409548. We'll strike that and we'll dismiss that. Now, we'll find them responsible for this. I don't have a no registration civil infraction. So what I'll do, I'll find them responsible for an expired plate and reduce the cost to the $90, like we said.
Your Honor, I believe the recommendation was to plead to a misdemeanor of no registration.
Oh, was that it?
That was my intention, Your Honor.
Okay, so then keep that then. We'll keep that, we'll amend that no registration to improper plates. So we'll keep SP 1409548 on the record. That's 240. All right, so that'll be it. Stipulation of probable cause will dismiss all the other matters.
So stipulated.
I'm gonna set a review date. I'm gonna just go ahead and start out with 60 days. All right, Mr. Golden?
Okay.
Since it's a lot. Come back June 21st, 2023 at 8:25. Let's see how far you've gotten on these payments, all right?
All right, can you tell me about how much is it all together?
Yeah, it's gonna be about, I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. It doesn't even appear he has any reinstatement fees. It's going to be, strike that, it's gonna be 240 times 5 plus 145 plus 145. It's gonna be $1,500, $1,490. And you still owe the court another $804 on top of that.
Well, I owe $804.
Pardon me?
All right, that's cool. But I did do community service, Judge. I don't know if that counts for anything.
When did you do community service?
I think you ordered me to do it last year. I did probably like 30 hours, something like that.
All right, so what I'll do, I'll get Miss Green. Did you give it to Miss Green?
Yeah, Miss Green got it on 7 Mile and Greenfield. That's where I did it at.
All right, let's get Miss Green in here and find out if Mr. Golden has. All right, I'll give you $20 an hour per those tickets. All right, officers, that'll conclude it. Y'all be safe out there. Have a great day. And hopefully, Corporal Rule, when you see Mr. Golden picking up his kids, he'll have a valid driver's license.
Judge, what's his name again?
Thomas Golden.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, have a very good day. Good luck to all. Be safe, all of you.
Thank you.
Verify whether he did community service. He says he did 30 hours. He says he turned it over to us. All right. All right, let's move on. I'm gonna get that community service and I'll adjust the fee, Mr. Golden. So just sit tight, all right?
All right.
All right.
Your Honor, Ms. Lee is now connected to audio, and she
Peggy Lee
indicated
is now connected.
she is.
City of Detroit versus Peggy Ann Lee. Case
Ms.
number
Lee,
SP 139-90251, SP 139-90321. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Peggy Lee. Ms. Lee, can you please unmute your phone and state your name for the record?
Good morning. My name is Peggy Lee.
Good morning, Ms. Lee.
Good
Today is
morning.
the date time set for a pretrial in the matter. Ms. Lee, do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, sir.
Can we see that, please?
Can you see it?
I'm a little bit closer, ma'am. Now hold it up. Hold it up a little bit higher.
To the screen, please.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. Back up a little bit. Sorry.
Okay, no problem.
Slide it over to your left. All right. 1/4/2024. All right, I'm good with that. Let's see the insurance, please, ma'am. Let's see the insurance, please. Ms. Lee, can we see the insurance? No, that's the registration. Let's see the insurance. I see that.
Okay.
The other document, ma'am. Very good.
I have to get a copy of it because it's on my email, so I made a copy of it.
All right, let's see it.
You raise it
All
up
right, raise
a
it
little
up a little bit. Yes. Ms. Lee, can you
Yes.
raise the document? Can you raise it up, please?
Okay.
Slide it over to your left.
Say it
To your
again.
left.
Oh, okay.
All
Lift
right,
it
I'm
up
gonna find that.
again.
I'm gonna call it good.
Okay, thank you.
I saw the date 9/2023.
Yes, I saw that too.
Valid documentation. Ms. Lee, we're gonna dismiss the case as this one-time deal. You gotta have your documents on you, all right?
Okay, I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Hey, come on. What's going on?
I wanted to say something.
You're all set, ma'am. You can disconnect.
Hold on,
Thank you.
let me
Okay,
pause
thank
it for a
you.
minute. I'll be
Hold
right
on.
back.
It's dismissed. Yeah. I didn't have a, because they had me on Samsung.
Osborne?
Hi, yes,
Do you have valid insurance and registration for your vehicle?
I do. I emailed it to the judge when he put his email in the chat.
Okay, what about the equipment violation? Did you get that repaired?
No, not yet. It was the 10th, I believe. But I was working on getting a prescription from my doctor.
Okay. When did you send in the documentation to the court on the insurance and registration?
This morning when he put his email in the chat for someone
Okay.
else, I emailed him too.
Okay, all right. But you haven't gotten the tint taken off?
No, not yet, because I haven't been able to get an appointment. Well, I just started a new job, so I haven't been able to get in to see
I don't know. I don't know if a
doctor.
doctor's prescription will avoid a dark tint violation. That's for officer safety, so I'm not sure.
Okay.
All right, so I don't know.
Okay.
I don't think so, frankly. I don't think so.
Yeah, who's that, Ms. Osborne?
Okay.
It is, Judge, yes.
Let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Erica Osborne, case number SP 1397227, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1417959, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Erica Osborne. Your Honor, she indicated to me that she emailed valid documentation for insurance and registration to the court this morning to the court's email address. She also has an equipment violation for window tint. I was explaining to her she wanted to get a prescription from her doctor. I don't think that would cure an equipment violation for dark tint because that's an officer safety type of violation. So I don't know how.
As a matter of fact, I believe in Michigan, you can get a prescription doctor. The only unfortunate part about that a lot of times is you still have to be dealt with pulling over. I don't know if that's going to be listed as on your driver's license or not, but from my understanding, you can get a prescription from your doctor to have a tint. That's the only way you can have those tints in Michigan.
Okay. All right, Judge,
it's not Florida, Miss Osborne, so they're saying you don't have to, it's not sunshine every single solitary day like sunny California or something, or Florida. So they're a little bit more restrictive, and Miss Cameron is right. They're doing it for officer safety. So I don't see any email what email address did you send it up from?
I sent it from, it should be Osborne Erica 1.
No, I didn't get it. So I'm gonna put it back in the chat. You gotta put it in like SEAN period. And you have to really copy and paste it and put it in like that. And then I'll recall the case when I get the insurance and information, all right?
Okay, I'll redo it.
Thank you.
Tyrone Williams. Is Tyrone Williams here? Gilbert's iPhone. What's your name, sir? Mr. Gilbert, is he asleep?
First name Gilbert, Judge, last name Gary.
Gary Gilbert?
First name Gilbert, last name Gary, Judge.
Gary, very well.
Yes, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Gilbert Gary, case number SP 1376384, SP 13868 641. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Gilbert Gary.
Call 18457281 in the record as well. We'll close that matter out. He paid it. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Plea to disorderly conduct or set a trial. Put you in a breakout room, Ms. Cameron, speak to her. $240 fine. Close it out under disorderly conduct, or you can set a trial date.
Okay, Judge, thank you.
Speak to the lawyer, please. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Osborne. I see the all right, Ms. Osborne, I got valid registration and insurance here. What about the improper equipment? You want to pay the $120 and close it all out? I'll dismiss the other cases for providing valid documentation. Ms. Osborne, you there? Erica Osborne, I'm so.
Yes, I'm sorry, I was muted. Yep, I'll pay the 120.
You pay the 120?
Yep.
She's got that nice new Dodge. That's why the windows are tinted. No, I'm not gonna say you don't, but it looks cool, doesn't it, Miss Osborne?
No, it's because I have astigmatism in both eyes, and headlights and traffic lights, everything is a glare to me at night.
All right. What do you want me to give you time to go get the prescription? I mean, 120 will close it out, but
yeah, no, I can pay it next Friday.
She sounds sincere. Miss Snyder is there. I'm sure she's listening.
I was in and out, Your Honor. I got a phone call.
Yeah, Miss Erica Danielle Osborne has 2 stops. She did all documents, expired plates and registration. I got valid registration and valid insurance. She has this equipment violation, and I told her that she's got this new Dodge here, and she wanted the tinted windows because it looked cool. I said, I think it does. Will you agree that it does look cool though, Ms. Osborne?
No, it doesn't look cool at all.
It does not look cool?
No, because
that doesn't sound. I can ask anybody in here whether they like tinted windows on their ride, and they would say yes. And you're saying no. But anyway, she indicates that she has astigmatism in her eyes, that she hasn't gotten the proper documentation, but she seemed to be sincere that it affects her with headlights and sun and all of that stuff. That's it.
I have no objection to setting the matter aside, Your Honor, adjourning the matter to have her bring in her documentation. But it's my personal policy that I don't think it's appropriate for me to have to judge the credibility. I believe Miss Osborne, I have astigmatism. Right. I'm sure that's true, but some people can tell the truth in a way that doesn't, that can seem like a lie. And I think it's not a good position for me to put myself in to have to make that judgment call.
All right, so you hear that? I can totally understand that. That's she's saying some people can lie with a straight face, Miss Osborne. She's not saying that you're lying. She just wants you to go get the necessary documentation or pay the 120. What do you want to do?
I can pay 20.
You what?
I can just pay the 120 because I don't know when I'll be able to get in to the doctors.
All right. $120 submitted as charged to the improper plate, dismiss the rest, stipulate to the basis of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea.
Okay.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right, 120, when you said next week?
Yes.
I'm gonna give you till May, April the 28th, 2023 to pay it, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Osborne, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
All right, you as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, let's move on.
Judge, we're going to set Mr. Gary for trial.
All right, very well. Mr. Gary, you there?
No, he hasn't come out of the breakout room.
Let me see if I can try to pull him out.
Okay.
Let's see here. Back on the record with Mr. Gilbert Gary. Mr. Gary, my understanding you want a trial date?
Yes, Judge, thank you.
All right, I'm gonna set a trial date. ST 137-63841 is a formal hearing. And ST 1386841 trial. That'll be June the 1st.
Yes, Judge.
If there's no further questions, sir, I'll see you back June the 1st at 9 a.m. Okay, Mr. Gary?
Yes, Judge, thank you.
Have a great day.
Have a great weekend. Thank you, Judge. Bye-bye.
Edmund Lindsay.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Morning.
City of Detroit versus Edmund Hampton Lindsay, case number SP 1391080, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Mr. Lindsay.
State your name for the record, Mr. Lindsay.
Edmund Hampton Lindsay Sr.
All right, he missed his date yesterday, so today we'll call the day the pretrial date. Do you have valid documentation for this vehicle, Mr. Lindsay?
No, when I went to court last time, when you postponed it, I was explaining to the lady on the phone that I got documentation that I ended up, I junked the vehicle because the frame was rotted out. I was trying to sell it and come to find out the frame was rotted out. I got proof that that I junked the car to a scrapyard car called Parts Galore.
Do you have a car in your name now, sir?
Yes, sir.
Do you have valid documentation for that car, insurance and registration?
It's in the vehicle.
Can you get it?
Yeah, can you give me a second, please?
Of course.
All right.
All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go to Malik Lewis. Is this Malik Robert Lewis?
Mr. Lewis, can you unmute, please?
Unmute yourself, please.
Mr. Lewis, can you unmute, please?
Sorry about that.
I'm trying.
I'm a little old. I'm a little too old.
All right, let's go. Good morning to you, sir. This is the City of Detroit versus Malik. Nah, this can't be you.
I'm Malik Turhan Lewis, Lewis.
Turhan, okay. That's not him. Give me the Malik Lewis. Wow, that's senior. This is Malik Turhan Lewis Senior, case number SP 139-49941. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Malik Lewis.
Mr. Lewis, state your name for the record, please. Lewis.
Mr. Lewis, state your name for the record, please, sir.
I think he might have frozen. Mr. Lewis, you there?
Malik Turhan Lewis.
Senior, right?
Senior, correct.
Can you, do you have valid registration for, the insurance for this vehicle?
Yes, I do.
Can you show it to us?
I just wrote down the information, but I have it on my other phone. It's from Progressive. I have the policy number.
Can you email it? Can you email it to me?
I just need the email address.
I'm putting it in the chat.
In the chat. I'm not familiar with the chat.
Okay, so go down to the bottom of touch your screen. You'll see a chat symbol down on the bottom of your screen, and you'll see the email address in there.
The chat in the bottom of my screen. This is a new phone. Sorry. Stolen. So I'm on. This is like my backup phone. I don't even know how to work this phone.
All right, just press the screen.
Is there any way someone could just tell me the email address and I'll write it down?
Yes. Okay. Let's see if this goes well. All right, you ready? SEAN.
SEAN.
Period. PERKINS.
Yes.
At 36 District Court, 36th districtcourt.org.
District Court.
ORG.
Gotcha.
36 is Sean period Perkins at 36 districtcourt.org.
That's what I wrote. So I didn't have
36th. Make sure you put the 36, the TH in there.
Let me read off what I wrote to you.
Very well.
SEAN dot PERKINS at 36th districtcourt.org.
No, it's COURT.
I messed up, Judge.
I know, that's why I wanted you to copy it, but go ahead. You did a better job than most. You did a better job than most. COURT.org. O-R-G. Send it to me, and then we'll get you out of here, all right?
Sure.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Edmund Lindsay. Mr. Lindsay, you got that you have the documentation to that vehicle. Let's see what he has.
It's a registration, if you can see it.
It's kind of dark in there.
Okay.
All right, let's turn around the let's see if that's better. Why can't I get the spotlight on there? Let's see the spotlight. No. Can you see that, Ms. Snyder? All right, that's better. All right, push it a little closer. 3/31/2024 for a Honda. All right, go ahead. Let's see what the insurance looks like. Push the insurance a little closer. Up. 6/10/2023. All right, I'm going to call it good. We're going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. All right.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day.
All right, thank you. You have a good weekend.
You too. All right. See this email. I have an email from Osborne. Where's Osborne's file?
Erica Osborne.
Erica Osborne. I have her.
Erica Daniel.
Did we already do it?
I do have a duplicate one up here.
Oh, we got hers done.
Oh, we did.
Because she's the one with, yeah, I saw hers, sorry.
Okay.
We got hers done. I'm waiting on Lewis. Let's call Gates, City of Detroit versus Andre Gates, case number SP 1339151, counts 1, 2, and 3.
I'm here.
Appearance for the record, please. Good morning to you, Mr. Gates.
Linda
morning.
Cameron appearing on behalf of Andre Gates.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Counselor.
Linda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Gates. That the show cause be set aside at this time, please.
Do you chin Melinda Cameron?
Hello?
Just say. Molly, don't smile. Alexa, shut up. You look ugly. Don't think you're cute. Hey, Jesse.
I don't know what the heck's going on.
Okay.
Sounds like we might need to lock the room, Your Honor.
Can you
Yeah, they
it out?
won't be coming back in. All right, Mr. Gates, state your name. Oh, okay, she already stated his name.
It's like you had somebody
that's the
crash
show
here.
cause.
Yes. Yes,
All right.
Judge, we'd ask that the show cause be set aside at this time. Thank you.
Willing or not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. This is an allowing. It's an allowing and a unregistered, untitled, and no insurance, where you can plead to the allowing and $240 fine, or you can set a trial date. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Cameron. She can discuss the matter. He wants to take the deal, make
And
sure
dismiss
he
the other
reads
two,
advice
Judge?
Right. We'll dismiss the other one. We'll dismiss upon payment of the allowing, but he can also set a trial date. Join the room, please, Mr. Gates.
Yes.
I don't see any reason to let this Lauren Castillo in. Let's see. Oh, boy, I'm tired. Excuse me. Laurel?
Yes, Judge.
Good morning to you. What brings you here today?
Yeah, can you just give me 1 second, Judge? Yeah, I have a traffic court case, sir.
And what's your name?
Yeah, Laurel Castillo.
Castillo. All right, let's see. That's Castillo.
The C's are in 435.
435. Sometimes they come out of there. He was missed his date. Is this well, I don't see a Laurel Castillo, so what is your
Would
full
you
name?
would you like my client's name? Because I'm representing someone.
Are you a lawyer?
Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
Well, of course I would like your client's name, Counselor. I'm looking at
Yes.
your name.
Yeah, it's gonna be Latoya Ramon. She's scheduled for, I believe, 11:30. Let me just
I
check
don't
that.
think so. Let's turn your camera on, please.
Yeah, just 1 second.
Latoya Ramon.
Yes, she's assured me she's in the waiting area.
Yeah, I see. Let's see if you're, I don't know if you're in the right place. I'm gonna see if we can help.
Would you like me to read you her ticket number? I'm sorry if I'm disrupting, Your Honor.
Let's see, Latoya Ramon. Yeah, let's see the ticket number, please.
Yeah, are you ready for that, Judge?
Yes.
Yeah, it's going to be SP1 49 623 40I.
40. I got too many numbers. SP 149 62340. Read it back again, Counselor.
Yeah, it's going to be SP1